Disclaimer, Henny! The views and opinions expressed by the host are their own and do not necessarily reflect the fabulous entirety of the Newbie Gamer brand. We believe in fun, games, and good vibes only, so let's keep it cute or keep it on mute. No negativity, no bashing, no exceptions. If what you see ain't your cup of tea, feel free to swipe left, sashay away, and catch another show that suits your style. We're here to entertain, not engage in shade. Now let's game on, glam on, and move along.
Tonight, 10 bold, 10 brilliant, 10 fabulously fearless individuals are ready to take the virtual runway by storm. Welcome to Drag to Impress. Set inside Roblox's hit game, Dress to Impress. This is where imagination meets transformation. From high glam to campy chaos, it's not just about fashion, it's about making a statement. These contestants came to slay, but only one will walk away with the title of the ultimate virtual drag icon. But let's be clear, this show is not affiliated with Roblox, Dress to Impress, or RuPaul. We're just here to celebrate artistry, self-expression, and the power of fabulous. So grab your heels, your hair, and your highest energy, because this is Drag to Impress. Let the runway begin.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the most dazzling, death-dropping, and absolutely fierce event in the Roblox universe, Drag to Impress. Tonight, we celebrate creativity, confidence, and charisma as we open the spotlight to 10 of the fiercest queens this side of Roblox has ever seen. Whether you're serving looks, walking the fantasy, or just living your truth, this is your stage. Let's give a virtual round of applause, a snap, and a yes queen to our 10 talented drag queens who are ready to slay, and slay some more. To our viewers, thank you for joining us and supporting these dazzling divas. Get ready to be wowed, gagged, and inspired, because this isn't just a game, it's a revolution in high heels. So sit back, turn your glam all the way up, and let's get ready to drag to impress.
Magandang araw mga giliw naming panauhin. Welcome to a night of glamour, grace, and unapologetic self-expression. This is Drag to Impress. Ngayong gabi ating ipagdiriwang ang sining ng drag, isang kombinasyon ng talento, fashion, at lakas ng loob. Sa entabladong ito, bawat hakbang ay may kwento, bawat bihis ay may kahulugan. May kita natin ang mga kalahok na buong tapang na ipinakita ang kanilang galing gamit ang runway bilang canvas ng kanilang personalidad at imahinasyon. At sa ating mga tagapanood, kayo rin ay bahagi ng selebrasyong ito. Huwag mahiyang ipahayag ang iyong paghanga, show some love in the chat, support your favorites, and let them feel the warmth of your applause, kahit virtual man yan. Handa na ba kayong masaksihan ng isang gabi ng agnatan at kakaibang kagalingan? Kung ganon, simulan na natin. Ito ang Drag to Impress. Ang entablado ay bukas na and the runway is yours to conquer. Alright? Ready na po tayo mga queens? Okay. Let's start with Celeste Bush. Okay. Celeste Bush, pwede na po tayong lumabas. Celeste Bush. Ayan. From the heavens to the hedge, she's divine and a little bit bushy. Give it up for your celestial seductress, Celeste Bush. Diyan ka muna. Okay, lapit ka, lapit. Para makita ng mga judges. Right? Alright. Thank you, Celeste Bush. Alright. Next, let's call in Chantelicious Fury. Alright. Nakakatakot siya. Scary. So guys, category is what do you call this? Apocalyptic eleganza sa mga nanonood. So that's the opening runway for our drag queens. Alright. Thank you, Celeste ay, Chantelicious Fury. Thank you. Okay. Let's call in Oni Shikif. Oni. Alright. She's got mystery in her stride and danger in her wink hold on tight. Because it's about to get slippery with the one and only Oni Shikif. Alright. See the makeup. Katakot. Thank you, Oni. Alright. Next, let's call Sereya. Sereya. Alright. Straight from the ocean's treasure chest with curves like coral and a voice that hypnotizes. It's the gem of the deep. Sereya de Gemma. Alright. Mukhang marami kayong fans. Thank you, Sereya. Alright, let's call on Spicy Van Divine Jive. Whoa. Oh. Hindi nyo kaya may reveal. Cute. Ang galing nun. Aminin mo, Demi, nagulat ka din. Ang galing nun. Aliw. Alright. Angas. Thank you, Jive. Thank you. Now, let's call on the Fantastic Hanso. Isa rin to. Palaban din to eh. Alright. Oh my God. Okay. Two-headed zombie. Alright. Kita nyo na, judges. Alright. May pa-reveal. Thank you, Hanso. Now, let's call in our last contestant. So, that's Bex Triana Nova. Nova. Alright. Takot. Galing ng makeup niya. Super. Labas yung mata niya. Oh, okay. Okay. Thank you, Bex, Triana. Thank you. Now, let's call all of the queens sa stage. Pasok kayo. Ayan. Solarix! Ayan, nandito si Sorix. Ayan, Sorix. The lag never bothered me anyway. Ayan. So, ihabol natin si Sorix. Ayan, sorry about that. Ayan. Sige. Judges, pa-check na lang si Solarix. Padagdag na lang din siya. Alright. Thank you Solarix. So, yan. Pila kayo dyan. Ayan. They know how to do it naman. So, sila po yung judges. Ayan, kung nakikita nyo po. Ayan, sila po yung judges. Now, let's have a final look sa top 8. Huli ka, Solarix. Laro. Alright. Aluto may reveal. Mateo. Alright. Let me check if may score na nga sila. Ay, may score na sila. Alright. So, thank you, Queen. So, makinig kayo. So, this will be the second challenge. So, handa na ba kayo? So, you have, for this mini challenge, you have 2 minutes to prepare your look. 2 minutes. Okay? Iikot ako to check. Alright? 2 minutes. The theme is... Ang theme natin ay, since we will be creating or we will be doing a new pageant which we are calling the Orbit Royale. So, create us like a pageant-y pero alien type design. Alright? Jump if you agree. Jump if you understand the assignment. You have 2 minutes. Alright? Okay. Timer starts now. Okay. Balik tayo, balik. So, manonood tayo. Okay. Solarix, kaya pa ba ng signal mo? Sana kaya ng signal mo pa, Solarix. Anyway, ayan, we have 2 minutes. Magta-timer ako. Alright, 2 minutes.
Step on the stage, the spotlight's mine. Filipino
Okay.
flair, gonna redefine. With every move, we light the
Ikot-ikot
night.
tayo,
Glitter and
ikot-ikot
glow
tayo.
will shine so bright. Try to impress with every stride. Fabulous flames will never hide. Colors explode, confetti flies. With the Pinoy crowd, no compromise.
Hello po sa mga viewers sa Stream ni Ten at saka sa viewers natin sa Facebook. Hello guys!
Culture spins with
So
every
this will be like a quick one or
Fire, but
maybe
make
tournament
it
that we
fierce.
have or that we
Tradition bends but never
created.
disappears. Try to impress with every
Ayan, is
stride.
after nyo matapos, candidates, pila kayo ulit
Colors
dito.
explode, confetti
Okay,
flies.
pila
No
kayo.
Pinoy crowd, no compromise.
Teka lang. Mukhang may nawalang host. Nagpalit yung isang ano.
Halo, halo,
Nagpalit.
hot makes the whole show
May
go.
nagpalit na isang
Take the world with my pasabog flair. Gonna act
judge.
up on, we'll take it there. Try to
1 minute left. 1 minute left, guys. 1 minute. Pila kayo dito agad sa harap. Okay, judges, pwede kayong lumapit sa kanila to check. Okay? That's for the second round.
Tracking beats beneath my heels. Culture spins with every reel. Both sides.
Okay, timer stop. Balik na po kayo dito, Queen, sa stage. Balik na po sa stage. Balik na po sa stage. Tayo ay mag-announce. Balik na po sa stage. Alright. Pila kayo dito, guys. Pila. Pila sa labas na. Labas na kayo. Labas na kayo. Solarix. Okay. Alright. Now, judges, pwede na kayong umikot. Hindi ako nakasave. Solarix, this is a mini challenge. So, hindi siya nakasave talaga. So, ngayon lang namin binigay yung category. Okay. Si Nyenye, si ano siya, si Chantel, guys. Si Chantel. Si Celeste, okay, labas na kayo. This is Jive. This is Hanso, si Mateo. This is Vex Triana. This is Celeste Bush, the violet one. Nyenye Chantel. Solarix. So we understand the connection. Next is Felix. Alright. This is Rhea. Pag okay na kayo, guys, or judges, you can exit down. Pag okay na kayo. Thank you for the entertainment, Solarix. finish. It's okay. That's the mini challenge. Ugam-uga talaga sila. Thank you, Solarix, for the mini entertainment. Okay, check natin if there's any scoring. Di pa. So, si JQ ay tapos na. Renz is not yet done. I think kaya natin to ng 1 hour lang. Right? So, nagpupuksaan po yung mga judges sa backend. Kaya today? Paano kaya? Ang bilis ng oras, di ba, Jive? It's 2 minutes. So that's the mini challenge. Nauga po sila. Puksain ng judge. Sana kaya today ng judge number 2. Very critical po kasi si judge number 2. Kasi very critical siya mag-judge. Sana abot sa Sana yung pag-judge 2 minutes din, di ba? Para mabilisan. Pupuksaan talaga sila. Oo. Sa back end. Are you telling me I'm not critical? Hoy! So are you telling me I'm not critical? Okay, tapos na po si judge number 2. Alright. Ayan, nakita ko na. Thank you, guys. Thank you. So, okay, go. Feeling, ayan, ito po si judge number 1. Pakilala po natin yung mga judge. Ito po si judge number 1. Judge number 2. Si judge number 2 po ay nag-iiba-iba po yan ng damit. Minsan mawawala na lang po yan. Si judge number 3. Okay. Alright. So thank you, queens. Pwede na kayong bumalik. Now prepare for your best drag. So Larix, kaya mo to. Kaya mo. Kaya mo to. Thank you. Kaya mo to. Okay. Now for the best drag. Tatawagin ko kayo isa-isa, ha? Para naman maganda yan. Okay, sorry. May naligwak ma. Wala, for this format, then, hindi magliligwak. Walang ligwakan. So, i-announce until the very end kung sino yung mag-top 3. Yes. So, para hindi masayang yung effort or para makita din natin. Ready na? Okay. First, let's call in Celeste Bush. Celeste Bush, are you ready for your best drag? Mukhang may nagpalit po ng damit. Nagpalit po ng damit ang judge number 2. Nakita kong dumaan sa gilid. Okay. Celeste Bush. This is her best drag. Oh, akala ko Iba nga. Iba nga si Celeste Bush. Okay. Thank you, Celeste Bush. Now, let's call in Chancelicious Fury. Parang nagmutong ako sa control. Outfit. Parang meron siyang madalang malaking ship. Diba? Palaban po, palaban. Palaban po si Chancelicious Fury. Thank you, Chantel. Now let's call in Oni Shikir. The details. Diba? Parang, oh my God. Tingnan niyo yung makeup. Nakita niyo ba yan? Umilaw. Oh, umilaw. Diba, Demi? Pwede paksa talaga to. Si Oni. Oh my God. Okay, tingnan natin kung naskoran na. Okay, thank you. Oh, may reveal. Nagsasalita. Okay, thank you, Oni. Now, let's call in Soraya. Soraya. Best drag. Diba lumilipad talaga. Details, details, details. Alright, let's see if naskura na nila. Okay, thank you, Saraya. Now let's call in Spicy Van Divine Jive. Ang lala. Naninipa po si Jai. Okay. Alright. Atake po yung Jive. Atake. Alright, thank you, Jive. Next, let's call in the fantastic Hanson. Oh, may reveal. Okay. This is her best drag. Okay. Look at the makeup. Okay, it's giving plastic tiara. Kaya. Ay. Alright. Thank you, the fantastic Hanso. Now let's call in Bex Triana Nova. Tingnan nga natin. Oh my God. Okay. Thank you, Nova. Now, if nandyan si Sorix. Thank you, Nova. Nandiyan ba si Sorix? Alright, nandito si Sorix. Alright. Vision niya dyan ay solar system. Ano kayo pa ng garden? Labas po kala kayo. Ayan, iikot po yung mga judges. Alright. Judges, you can make your rounds. Make your rounds. Wait lang. Wait lang, judge number 2. Wait lang. See? Am I correct? Okay, let's announce. Alright. Ready na po ba kayo? Jump if you're ready. Okay, jump if you're ready. Okay. Now, we're going to announce the top 3. Okay. Ready na? Okay. First. Wait lang. Wait lang. Nagigigil ako sa mga judges. Nagigigil ako sa mga judges. Nagigigil ako sa mga judges. Okay. First, sa top 3, let's call in Vextriana Nova. Punta po tayo sa harap. Ayan. Next. Ganda ko tatawa ko sa back end. Alright. Next, sa top 3, Spicy Van Divine Jive. Alright. Now, ang huling tatawagin natin ay si Chantelicious Fury! Alright. Thank you guys. Thank you sa mga contestants. Now, kanina lang din natin na pag-usapan to na yung top 3 will have their posing for their live. Okay? So, top 3. So, let's clear the stage para sa top 3, guys. Okay, let's clear the stage para sa top 3. So, congratulations sa top 3. So, sa posing, so, alam nyo na kung ano yung background or yung music na i-play natin. Okay? So, let's... Ready na po kayo? Okay. Ready na? Okay. May mga cheerleader, may mga cheers kayo sa gilid. Magbibihis lang. Okay, go. You can. Bihis lang kayo for your post sync. But thank you guys. Thank you for the other candidates. Thank you for joining. So expect nyo na this is like not the first. And we have a line of pageants pa na paparating. So thank you everyone guys. And kailangan natin ipakita ang judge number 2 na ramen. Ayan po. Ayan. Ganyan po sila kakulit, guys. Ayan. So, let me know if ready na po yung top 3. Jump na lang po. Umalis ka dyan, ramen. Ramen ng ex-senadora. Congratulations to let's try again. Congratulations to Chantelicious Fury. Congratulations to Spicy Van Divine Jive. Congratulations to Bexiana Nova. And guys, yung nanalo sa social media natin. So actually si Chantel. So, we factor in the social media engagement. So, ayun, we will discuss later or isasend namin yung the totality. Okay, Bex is lagging. Okay. Let me know if okay ka na. Jump if you're okay. I think you're good na, Chantel. Pasabog si... Ay, nawala si Chantel. So, let's wait. Pero, sana okay ka lang dyan. Hansi, sana okay ka lang dyan. Okay. Are you ready na? Okay, let's fix the framing first. Naririnig nyo, guys, no? Kung naririnig nyo sa kayong mga top 3 yung music, let me know. Okay, ready? Set. Go.
Step on the stage, the spotlight's mine. Filipino flair, gonna redefine. With every move, we light the
Playing na,
night.
guys.
Glitter and glow
Playing na
will
sa
shine so
background.
bright. Try to impress with every stride. Fabulous flames will never hide. Colors explode, confetti flies. With the Pinoy crown, no compromise. Silicone beats beneath my heels. Culture spins with every reel. Borrowed
So, let's restart. Wala po siya. So, hindi naririnig ng mga candidates. So, wait. Let me play it again here. Alright. Ready? Wait, I'm kinda lagging DC sana. Okay, sa DC. Okay, DC, go to play. Alright. I think maririnig naman siya sa background. Okay? Okay, go!
Step on the stage, the spotlight's mine. Filipino flair, gonna redefine. With every move, we light the night. Glitter and glow will shine so bright. Try to impress with every stride. Fabulous flames will never hide. Colors explode, confetti flies. With the Pinoy proud, no compromise. Cynical beats beneath my heels. Culture spins with every reel. Borrowed sire but naked fierce. Tradition bends but never disappears. Trying to impress with every stride. Fabulous flames will never hide. Colors explode, confetti flies. We're Pinoy proud, no compromise. Love my roots, they find my soul. Halo, halo heart makes the whole show gold. Take the world with my Pasabog flair. Gonna act up on, we'll take it there. Try to impress with every stride.
Alright. Alright. Thank you, queens. Aliw, 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 aliw. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now let's clear other queens. Let's clear the stage para sa top 3. Alright. So before we end, so I'm gonna play this video for everyone. Okay? Okay. Let's hear it from this person.
Ladies, gentlemen, and all my beautiful beings in between, what a night. What a celebration of boldness, beauty, and being unapologetically you. To our 10 dazzling drag queens, you came into this runway not just to slay, but to share your soul. Through every outfit, every pose, every moment, you reminded us why drag is powerful. It's not just about looks. It's about living your truth out loud and inspiring others to do the same. To our audience, thank you for holding space, for cheering with your hearts, and for showing love to every queen who walked that stage tonight. And remember this, my darlings. As we always say, always remain humble, keep your feet on the ground, win or lose, carry yourself with grace. And above all else, have a heart full of gratitude. Because no amount of sparkle on the outside can ever outshine a soul that's kind, grounded, and grateful. The world will try to tell you who to be. But here, in this space, we know the truth. You are already enough. You are already worthy. And baby, you are already a star. So keep slaying, keep dreaming, and never forget, if you can't love yourself, how in the hell are you going to love somebody else? Can I get an amen up in here? This has been Drag to Impress, and you all left your mark. Good night, stay fierce, and remember, the crown is only the beginning.
Alright. Hindi nyo kaya. Okay, so ready na ba kayo? We will not call, like we will not have first runner-up and second runner-up. Okay? Okay, we will call our first ever Drag to Impress Queen. Okay? Ready? Okay, wait lang. Okay. But first, let's look at Jive. Okay, first. Okay. Next, let's look at Vextriana. Okay. Last but not the least, let's look at Chantel. Alright. Now, our first ever Drag to Impress Queen is Vextriana!
Step on the stage, the spotlight's mine. Filipino flair, gonna redefine.
Alright.
We light the night, glitter and glow will shine.
Congratulations,
so bright.
Vextriana.
Try to impress with every stride. Fabulous flames will never hide.
Thank
Colors
you.
explode, confetti flies. With the Noy crown, no compromise.
We will send the details of scoring later. Alright.
Silicone beats beneath my
Then,
heels.
let's discuss backstage. So, after. Alright. Thank you, Queens. Thank you. Congrats, Vextriana. Thank you, guys. Now, this concludes our mini, we call this mini tournament. So, watch out for other tournaments that will be handled by NBD. Right? Alright. Don't leave the server muna, mga queens. So, I need to take a picture of you guys.
Gonna act up on, we'll take it there.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, guys. Thank you.
Step on the stage, the spotlight's mine. Filipino flair, gonna redefine. With every move, we light the night. Glitter and glow will shine so bright. Try to impress with every stride. Fabulous flames will never hide. Colors explode, confetti flies. With the Noy crown, no compromise.